sentence, "We lost comm," I think that would be a sentence I would never want to hear in my life again. Like lost comm, as in we lost communication. I was on the ship. I think I lost hope when we passed the 96 hours mark. That's when I lost hope. And that's when I even then I sent a message to my family on shore. I said, "I'm preparing for the worst." That's when I lost hope. But my daughter, for example, she didn't lose hope until the call with the Coast Guard, when they basically informed us that they found debris.
Tell me just some memories that you have.
So he would not go anywhere without his Rubik's Cube. So he used to teach himself through YouTube how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and he was really fast at it. I think his best was 12 seconds or something like that.
Your husband and son, do you remember that?
Well, we just hugged and joked, actually, because Shehzada was so excited to go down. He was like a little child. Absolutely. He had this ability of childlike excitement. I was really happy for them, because both of them really, really wanted to do that for a very long time. So it was supposed to be Shehzada and I going down. And then I stepped back and gave the place to Sulaiman. Is there such a thing? I don't know. I think he started so many amazing projects. He was involved in so many. He helped so many people, and I think Alim and I really want to continue that legacy.
Is there anything else you want to add, Christine?
That I miss them. That I really, really miss them.